90% of it is just showing up. Get there and start working. Like, you're not going to feel perfect every day. There's got to be those days you push through. They're probably going to be more numerous than the days you don't. And Pressfield talks about that in the most concise and beautiful way. And he labels it like an enemy. He calls it resistance, you know, and that you have to sit down, you have to overcome resistance, and that the pro goes to work. And it doesn't matter if you're sick, doesn't matter if you have kids, you're a pro and you go to work.